The next thing I wanted to show you is that I thought was pretty neat that Kreg did here. This is just like a little orientation block. And one of the things they tell you to do is go ahead and just like take it out loose completely. And there's a little nut right here on the bottom. So just unscrew it till the nut comes loose. And then flip it. So there we go. I flipped it around and stuck it back in the slot. So you want to push it all the way up against this, and this just so that if you take your saw off of the sled, you can keep the same orientation and you don't have to go through this each time. You can just slide it and know that it's in the right position each time, so you don't have to actually reset everything. And then just tighten down on this set block. So that's how it should be set up, just like that.